Who is he?
He is my friend.
Who is he?
He is my friend.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
What's your profession?
I'm a doctor.
What's your profession?
I'm a doctor.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
Where are you going?
I'm going to a store.
Where are you going?
I'm going to a store.
How was the party?
It was good.
How was the party?
It was good.
What is it?
It's salad.
What is it?
It's salad.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good.
What is that?
That's a mosque.
What is that?
That's a mosque.
What are you doing?
I'm playing games.
What are you doing?
I'm playing games.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
What happened?
I lost my ring.
What happened?
I lost my ring.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cat.
Where are we?
We are in park.
Where are we?
We are in park.
How to start?
Start with grandma.
How to start?
Start with grandma.
Did you pass?
Yes, I did.
Did you pass?
Yes, I did.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Where are you?
I am at home.
What is it?
It's a table.
What is it?
It's a table.
Who won?
My friend won.
Who won?
My friend won.
How much did it cost?
It cost $10.
How much did it cost?
It cost $10.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What's your job?
I am a student.
Whom are you with?
I am with Dad.
Whom are you with?
I am with Dad.
What do you do?
I'm an actor.
What do you do?
I'm an actor.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.